So, hello friends, uh, in this video, we will discuss, this complete playlist. I'm gonna make video on AWS compute and related future compute services, basically, okay. So the first topic is placement group. So in AWS, a placement group is a configuration that helps optimize how EC2 instances are placed across the underlying infrastructure to improve performance. Okay, basically, like how EC2 instances are placed under the underlying infrastructure means how they are optimized EC2 instances. So that we're gonna see. Okay. So to improve performance, fault tolerance, or both. So AWS offers three types of placement groups, each tailored for different use cases. Okay. So out of which the first is placement group is cluster placement group. So it maximizes network performance among instances in the same group. So here the instances will be in the same group. So here how it works. Instances are placed close together within the same availability zone. Okay. Providing high bandwidth and low latency. So you can ask me, okay, what is just a moment, guys. Okay. You can ask me, okay, what is availability zone means? So availability zone is nothing but a location where an AWS region that consists of one or more data center. Okay. Okay, you can ask me what is the AWS region. AWS region is nothing but okay, in the world there are some one regions will be there. Okay, AWS region, for example, Mumbai. So in Mumbai, there is one AWS region. Okay, likewise, um, North Virginia and Ireland. Likewise, one AWS region out there. So in which inside these regions we have multiple availability zones. Availability zones are nothing but in one, for example, in AWS region will be having multiple availability zones. Okay, in each availability zones will be having a multiple data centers. Okay, nothing but collection of data centers. Yeah. So now you got a idea, right? So what do you mean by availability zone and region? Okay. So in cluster placement group, use case. So these are ideal for applications that need high network throughput and low latency between instances, like high performance computing, data, workloads, etc. Okay. And spread placement group. So the purpose is it reduces the risk of simultaneous instance failure. Okay. So instances are placed on separate underlying hardware across multiple availability zones. Okay. So instances are placed on separate underlying hardware. Okay. Across multiple availability zones. Here, the instances are placed on multiple availability zones. Okay. That is nothing but spread placement group. Use case suitable for critical applications that need high availability and isolation, such as distributed applications of microservices. So here in multiple availability zones, The instances are placed so that you can achieve always high availability and isolation. Okay. So next is partition placement group. So balances fault tolerance. Okay. And scalability for large distributed workloads. So how it will divides instance into logical partitions, each of which is isolated from others in terms of hardware failure. Partitions can span multiple racks, reducing the impact of a hardware failure to a single partition. So these are like common use cases, like common in big data applications like HDFS, HSBase, or Cassandra, where workload distribution across hardware failure boundaries is critical. Okay. So when you choose which one, so use cluster for performance sensitive application where network performance between instances is priority. Okay. If you want performance between instances, right, then you go for cluster because they the instances are in the same availability zone. Okay. Use spread for single instance application that require high availability, ensuring each instance is isolated. Since each instances are isolated, right? So high availability is there always. Okay, spread. So you go for partition for distributed applications that require a balance between performance and fault tolerance across partitions. Okay. In summary, partition group in AWS allow you to optimize your EC2 instances placement is based on your application network performance and fault tolerance need. So cluster groups offer high network speed. Spread groups provide instance isolation and partition groups distribute workloads across partition, protect against hardware failures. Okay, next video we will see about different topics. Thank you.